Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix stretching lines type perfectly on the top of lines in MS Word. For example, if you type anything, for example MBA, you can see that the line is splitting on the both sides. So how you can fix it? So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the text box and click on the draw a text box. And now draw a text box and type the desired text, for example MBA, and now select it and make it bold. And now click here to check the font and the size, and this is the Century Gothic font and 24 size. So click inside the box, select it, make it 24 and change the font to the Century Gothic and change the color to the black. And now place it over here and now go to the shape format and click on the shape fill and click no fill, and shape outline, click on that and click on no outline. And now you can place over the line like this one and make it resize. And now click here and delete the extra lines. And now again click in the text box and make it copy and paste and move to the here, and now type here, for example in April, and click here to remove the extra lines. And similarly again right click and copy this text box and Ctrl V to paste it, and again place on the third line and type, for example entry, and click here to remove the extra lines. So with this way you can easily fix stretching lines and type perfectly on top of line in MS Word. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.